Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And today we're going to be talking about something that literally just came in the mail as I was about to leave my house. I was heading out to run some errands and the mailman was right at my door, dropped off some goodies for me courtesy of Suvneer. So let's go ahead and look at this. Alright guys, and let's look at these mirror caps. They're nicely packaged actually. So we're going to open this up. Bam, mirror caps, they're wrapped and everything. These are actually the first. I had some mirror caps before that I got from Keys on my 340, and then I got some that I had custom made, but that company yeah, we're just not gonna talk about that company. All right guys, and this is what these mirror caps look like out of the package. That carbon fiber weave is beautiful, flawless. Yeah, so this is actually like my first set of real carbon fiber caps. I know I have some forged ones right now on my M240, but we're gonna be swapping them out. So initially I was gonna do the whole forged carbon thing on my car. I had the grills and I had the mirror caps on it, but they were really bad quality. I was actually pretty disappointed. So I decided to go back to weave. So we're going to do weave all over my car. I already have the spoiler and I have a lip that is getting ready to be put on. I have mirror caps and I have an antenna cover. We're just missing a few things that I also want to add, like the side skirts, diffuser, the kidney grill, and a few other things that I want to do with carbon fiber before we get to the panel stuff, because I do want to do panels eventually. But right now we're focusing on this. I have done an installation video for mirror caps before on my F30. F22, it's the same thing, but we're gonna go ahead and install these anyway, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is exclusive for F22 since I already have some F30 content. Works the same for F30, F20, F22, F32. It's the same. So let's go ahead and go do it. All right guys, so now I'm outside. We're about to do this thing. Here are the new mirror caps. It looks so good. So you guys can see these are starting to look really bad. Not really liking the appearance of these too much anymore, but that's what happens when you rush things and they're not done right. But this one looks beautiful. It's already been ceramic coated and everything, so it's well protected. And let's go ahead and swap them over. All right guys, so for starters you're gonna need some sort of toolkit like this. I got this one at Lowe's. It's made by Craftsman, but it's basically a trim tool, and you want to have something like this to take this stuff off because you don't want to use something metal. It's gonna end up breaking something. So I would start with something like this. There are a few ways to do this. I've seen few people do this several ways. Some people like to remove the mirror and then take the mirror out that way. I personally don't like that because I have seen other people break their mirror, and honestly, it's going to be more expensive if you make a mistake on this side than if you make a mistake on this side, if that makes any sense. Anyway, if you want to have a better idea of where to pry, you can always look on the back of these mirror caps. The back of these mirror caps show clearly where the tabs are, and so you can try to pry around that and try to get these out and off. For me, I would start right here or maybe down here. And then these mirror caps were not made very well, as we stated before. So if I keep prying around, this is just gonna pretty much fall off. So it seems like you have some things that get stuck, some of those little tabs. When that happens, if you don't want to break it, for me this one's coming off, so I really don't care about it. I could literally just break it right now, but for the sake of showing you how to do this without breaking things, you kind of just want to give it a light pull and then it comes right off. As you can see, everything's really dirty in here. I'll probably clean it up some before putting the new caps on. Alright guys, so with the cap off, this is what it looks like, and here we have our new cap. To put these on, we literally just line up these tabs that are in here to these holes and these little holders. So for this one, just line it up and make sure it's lined up well. Don't want to make a mistake, so line it up and then just press it in. And this one seems like it locked in pretty quickly, which is a good sign. That means it's pretty good quality. There is somewhat of a gap here, which I'm not liking, but I think carbon fiber is hard to get right, you know, especially if you're not wanting to pay thousands of dollars for it. But this is really good. This is made by Suvneer. Look at that shine. It's just amazing how much better this looks than my old mirror caps. But guys, I'm not gonna waste any more time. This is literally how simple it is to change these mirror caps. I think a lot of people overthink it and overcomplicate it. I definitely don't recommend taking the mirror off in order to do this. Just pry from the back, and if little plastic tabs break, I mean, you're taking them off anyway. You know, it's not like you're taking them off to do maintenance on. That would be a different conversation. But if you're just swapping them out, putting on these mirror caps, yeah, just use a plastic tool and go to town. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Suvneer for sending me these mirror caps in order to make this content possible for you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate you all. Subscribe and like. Talk to you later. Peace.